Oh crap, I guess I already hit the record button. But, I wonder if Charles left again. I hear someone someone's vehicle was sliding on the street over there. Like it was on the other side of what I'm filming now is a busy street. Well, in the daytime, I guess. This is after an hour, and there's probably already an inch or two, something on the ground.
Hi, everybody.
Fireman Savage says hi.
I just had a fun night.
Drinking too much chocolate milk.
Yeah. And I ate a whole box of Fiber One bars. Let's get it done in the morning.
You ate a whole. You didn't tell me you ate a whole. You didn't tell me you ate a whole box of Fiber One bars.
That's like 150% daily fiber right there.
Dang. Now it's starting to snow in the house.
Yay, I've always wanted snow in the house. Too much money.
Now it's getting cold. I'm used to it being 60 degrees. Like it was 2 days ago.
That's the breath for you.
Huh?
That's the breath for you.
In Oklahoma, it doesn't go fiasco like that.
But it's not.
Well, dead silence. Must be the calm before the storm.
It's already storming.
What?
It's already storming.
No, it must be the calm before the big part. Is it supposed to be windy? Like our local news station meteorologist said.
I'm afraid to wake up in the morning.
Why?
Because I'll look outside and there'll be 20 feet of snow on the ground.
It'd be the second ice age.
Yeah. Normal work.
Yeah?
I don't think houses can burn in 20 feet of snow.
No. Nor could a field.
Have the owners throw snow on them.
Yeah. Just be like...
Don't need no firemen.
What if they say, I can't find any snow? It'd be like, fucking really?
I'd be like, well, you were all fucking in.
If you can't find snow with 20 feet of snow surrounding your house.
I can picture that blind chick. What's snow? Where do I get this snow?
Just walk to where it's colder.
Yeah.
I'm starting to shiver now with this door open. I'm not wearing the best of jacket. This jacket's made for like 40-degree weather. But it was nice this morning walking in the rain. Yeah, this tree's already weighing down. In the morning, I bet it's going to be like on the ground. It's going to take the cable line with it, so I'm probably going to lose cable, which I really don't care because I don't watch TV very often. Oh, if it knocks out the cable, that means it's going to knock out the internet. And I do use the internet a lot. Does your stomach still feel weird from all that chocolate milk? Okay guys, this is how bad it got overnight. The street is weighing down right on top of me. And there's at least a foot of snow. A tree limb broke over our driveway from that tree. That tree is weighing down, about ready to crash on the power line. There's love in our front yard. It's still snowing. A big limb came down over there. guessing it's already 10 inches, maybe around a foot. That tree is really weighed down. This is very, very heavy. Very heavy wet snow, too. Only 5. So, yeah. A little less than I thought, but still. Roads are going to be a nightmare. Approaching Sheridan Boulevard. Head to Lincoln Southeast. I don't even know where the damn sidewalk is. There's nobody driving. Huh. 2001 SNRB tornado siren.
There's less enhancement in the overall radar returns as you go further west, and the better returns are now here in eastern portions of Douglas County, Potawatomi. For you folks down, reporting 9 inches. So that's what he's got down there. Thanks, Jonah. Appreciate the report.
You're welcome.